The Doogee S300 Pro looks like the obvious winner, with more power, bigger cameras, and a larger battery. But the regular S300 has a few advantages that could make it the smarter purchase for some. The real question is whether the Pro's upgrades will improve your daily experience enough to justify choosing it. Doogee S300 is the sensible choice for calls, navigation, work applications, and outdoor use without paying for performance you may never need. But for gaming, demanding multitasking, better photography, longer battery life, and greater long-term potential, the Doogee S300 Pro is the... My final recommendation is simple. Choose the S300 only when it is considerably cheaper. Otherwise, the S300 Pro is the stronger and more complete purchase.